in response to my opponent's claim that glass organ systems would be a good alternative to study digestive systems, the Foundation for Biomedical Research has stated that the only way to effectively model a digestive system is to do so in a living organism. While a glass model is useful for looking at the flow of nutrients through a digestive system, it's impossible to model the complex relationship between cells and the organ systems that they make up. In response to her claim that the only law protecting animals is the AWA, this is just wrong. There is also two other laws in place, one by the FDA, the other by the Humane Care of Use of Laboratory Animals, both of which are mandated by law. The PHS, as the act is called, requires that companies that do tests on animals adopt a committee that reviews and looks after the animals that are being tested on. So the idea that animals are just needlessly being slaughtered is just false. The majority of companies that are doing tests on animals are regulated by the government and have a license to do so, meaning that they are professional companies doing medical research on animals. The AWA also requires that companies comply with the law, and if they do not, then companies will be effectively shut down. The enforcement of this law is done through the FDA, which has very strict regulations for the care of animals. While it is true that the majority of animals covered by this act are rats and mice, that are not covered by this law are rats and mice, they are essential for the study of medical research in the field. And as previously stated, the vast majority, 95% of tests done on animals are non-invasive genetic research studies. The federal laws and animal welfare acts and the Public Health Service Act regulate and alleviate the elimination of pain. They do so by caring and feeding for the animals and ensuring that caging requirements are met by each of the foundations conducting these experiments. Each institution must establish an animal care and use committee that includes outside members of the public that are members of veterinary care. Thank you.